Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a lesson plan or design challenge from MyStemKits. The first thing you need to do is go to MyStemKits.com and log into your account. You have a couple different ways you can access the lesson plans and design challenges. For one, you can browse specifically for them using these tabs on the left-hand side. But you can also access them directly through the kits that they are connected to. When you're browsing by lesson plans and design challenges, you'll notice we have the same filters available to you that we do on the Browse Kits page. So you can search through the full library, or you can go specifically looking for a grade and subject that you teach. But once you find something you're interested in printing, simply go into that activity. You'll be able to find any related subjects, strands, what grades it covers, as well as how much time to expect it to take to teach. You'll also find the abstract, which is an overview of the lesson, and any aligned standards. You can also specify this for your specific state. Now to unlock the activity, because right now I can't actually unlock it, it tells me I need to unlock a kit to download. So what you can do at the bottom is scroll down to where it has related kits, and click on this little lock button here. By clicking on that, it'll ask you if you want to make sure you want to unlock the related kit that goes with the activity. Click Unlock, and now you can download the lesson plan right to your computer. Clicking on the Download Lesson Plan button will download the PDF or zip file right to your computer, and then you can open it up and start investigating all of the different options we have available within our lesson plans, from teacher's guides to student handouts to assessments and more. The design challenges work in the same way. You can access them by browsing specifically for design challenges, or you can find them within kits themselves. So if I just look at my favorited ones and ones that have lesson plans, I can go in here and say click on the ball bearing catapult kit. This kit tells me it has 9 aligned lesson plans, and here's the split between the different grades. Now I can scroll down and view all of the different activities, as well as any of the STEAM design challenges that are aligned to it. When I find one I like, I will click on it, and then it will take me to the design challenge page just the same way it would with a lesson plan. Now again, this is locked because the ball bearing catapult kit is locked, but you simply unlock it clicking this button here, and you're able to access the activity. Now with the design challenges, you'll notice that in some of the PDFs, you have an option here that says to view these instructions as a video, visit and then a link. So you can copy that link directly into your browser window to view the video on how you actually build the object. And these videos walk you step by step through the process. So there you are. That's how you would go about accessing all of the different resources and activities available to you on the MyStemKits website. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.